Good morning, my dear students. Today in our biology class, I am going to explain about you animal cell and plant cell. We are human beings, we are animals, and how our body form. Our body form with the help of the so many cells they join together and form tissues. Okay. Now here, what are the cells? Which organelles are there in the cells? Now we are going to discuss about that. Before that, what is cell? Which in our body, how in our body we have some organs, okay, like lungs, heart, kidneys, like that we have. Each and every organ have its specific function. Like that, in our body, so many cells are present. In those cells, some organs are present. For that, we are called cell organelles. Now, I will explain about the structure of a cell. This is plant cell. Okay, this is plant cell and this is animal cell. Here you can see the differences between plant cell and animal cell. Here plant cell is rectangular in shape and animal cell is circle in. Now here I will explain in what is there in the plant cell. This is in the middle, prominent nucleus is present. Okay, main function occurs with the help of this nucleus. After that, this is vacuole. Okay, large vacuole is present here in the plant cell, and here small vacuole is present in the animal cell. Now here these are the mitochondria present in the plant cell. Here also mitochondria are present. Now this is rectangular in shape. What is this? This is plant cell, and this one is animal cell. Now here in the plant cell, this inner lining is cell membrane. Okay, this cell membrane protects the cell. Okay, this cell membrane protect the cell. Here also in the animal cell membrane is present. Outermost layer, cell membrane. Outermost layer of the outer layer of the cell is cell membrane. Here also cell membrane. Then here in the plant cell, one membrane is present outer cell. What is this? But here in this animal cell there is no other membrane is present outer cell. Okay, here whatever outer layer is present, this is cell wall. Okay, this is the special character of the plant cell. Okay, this is the special character of the plant cell. What is that? Cell wall. Outermost layer of the cell is cell wall. Here outer layer is cell membrane. What is the use of this? Purpose of this cell wall? It protect the plant cell. Okay, it protect the plant cell. And here we are discussing about the cell membrane. Cell membrane. What is the use of cell membrane? Before starting lesson, I said about that where we will discuss about the animal cell and plant cell and cell organelles and its functions. Here I said about the cell wall. It is the protective membrane, and cell membrane. It is also protective membrane, and not only protection, this membrane helps. Means in the, if you observe in the onion cell, here so many cells they join together and form a tissue. Okay, the cells are attached with each other, and this is cell wall. Okay, here also cell wall. These are the cell wall. These cell walls protect the cell. Okay, these cell walls protect the cells, and they allow some particles, some useful substance they allow inside of the cell. Okay, water, minerals. Okay, you know the water, minerals the plant need for their preparing their food. For that purpose they need this cell wall will help. This cell membrane will help. Both in the plant cell and animal cell, this cell membrane helps to transport the material into the cell to the cell. Okay, this is the work of the cell membrane. Now here one more. Now this is the nucleus. Prominent nucleus is present in the both the cells. You know here what is the role of the cell? Main functions occur from the cell. These are the head, this nucleus is the head of the cell. All functions are under control of the nucleus, and here genetic material is present in the nucleus. Okay, genetic material is present means it say about our characters. Okay, and all controls all functions are under control this nucleus. And division, what division is occurs in the nucleus. Functions and division, and our characters are decided by this genetic material. Now here you can see in plant cell you can see this green color pigment cell organelle. What are these? These are the chloroplast. These are the chloroplast. In this chloroplast, chlorophyll is present. Here we cannot see this chloroplast, green color pigment. Only these chloroplasts are present in the plant cell, not in the animal cell. Here this chloroplast present in the plant cell, and what is the role of this chloroplast mean? It have chlorophyll, green color pigment. Here plant cell is having chlorophyll, so that's why they perform photosynthesis process. Okay, in the photosynthesis process they use carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight, and they prepare their own food. This is the special feature of the plant cell. Okay, cell wall is the special feature of the plant cell. Chloroplast is the special feature of the plant cell, and large vacuole is present in the plant cell. Here small vacuole is present. Here no chloroplast are present. Here no special outer membrane cell wall is present in the animal cell. Now here one more characteristic. This is here endoplasmic reticulum. This one is endoplasmic reticulum. This cell membrane is continue in the whatever material which material is formed with the cell membrane, that material is only there in the endoplasmic reticulum. I drawn here the two different types of endoplasmic reticulum. Here some granules are present. Here no granules. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum is two types. Okay. Here some granules are present here. This is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, rough endoplasmic reticulum means here granules are present. This one here no granules are present. Okay, this smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, what is the role of these two? Okay, what is the role of endoplasmic reticulum? Here granules are present. Here proteins are manufactured. Okay, in the cell proteins are manufactured. Proteins are manufactured. Here lipids and fats are manufactured in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Mean these are the two factories like. Okay, these two endoplasmic reticulum is factories like. Both of in here also plant cell also endoplasmic reticulum is there, and these granules are freely moving in the plant cell. Now here proteins are manufactured here, and some characters are here. Okay, one cell organelle is present here. This is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. Okay, this is another cell organelle. What is the role of Golgi apparatus? Here proteins are manufactured here, and they will store in this Golgi apparatus. Okay, temporarily store. Whenever cell is required, proteins are nothing but energy producing. Okay, when we eat food, that time proteins are released, and those proteins are used by our body for gaining energy, giving energy. Here also proteins are manufactured in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and they are sent to the temporarily stored in the Golgi apparatus, and whenever the cell required that proteins, those are sent to the cell. Okay, after that, here if any waste materials are present, okay, if any waste materials are present, those are sent into the lysosome. These are the another type of lysosomes. Cell organelles, these are another cell organ. Lysosome, if any waste material is present in the cell, those waste materials are sent to the lysosomes. Okay, here they will destroy. How? These lysosomes, if the waste materials are sent to the lysosomes, those lysosomes they release destructive enzymes. Okay, special enzyme they are having in the lysosome, they release destructive enzyme and they will burst lysosomes whenever the waste material are sent to the lysosome. The lysosomes produce destructive enzyme and they burst, mean the lysosomes also burst. Like that, the waste material, whatever waste material produced in the cell, those waste material will destroy by this process. Okay, now here, okay, another cell organelle is mitochondria. Mitochondria what is the role of mitochondria? Mitochondria, with the help of protein some energy is released. Okay, that energy is stored in the mitochondria in the form of adenosine triphosphate, ATP. Okay, in the form of ATP. This energy will store in the mitochondria. This is about the plant cell and animal cell. I hope you all are understood about this. Thank you.